Hi, Nadeem here from Smart Riding Gadgets. Today I'm unboxing the VOLAM RC15. So the reason I've got the RC15 from VOLAM in to test is I wanted to see what kind of units are available on Amazon, and this is where I've ordered this from. So I want to test this and see the quality of the unit. It's not a unit that I'm familiar with from before. The brand VOLAM is not one that I've heard of, but it's about €200, so I'm expecting it to be fairly decent. So let's see how we get on. So I haven't actually unboxed this yet. It's the first time I'm doing it, so bear with me. Here we go. So this side, yeah. Okay, it's fairly well packaged for a start. Right. So this is the display itself. I think it's a 6-inch display. Okay. It's got a screen protector on it just now. It's got 2 wires coming out of the back. It looks like a fairly decent mount on the back as well. That looks okay, I think. Right, that looks like a, I don't know what this is. It says controller. Okay, so there is a small controller, and this must be, yeah, that's the power. So there is a controller unit that comes with this as well that you can mount, I think, because I saw it. Yeah, this is it here. Let's take this out and have a look. So if you don't want to be touching this touch screen all the time, you can use this. So yeah, there's the little symbols on it: telephone, home, refresh, I think that is. I'm not sure. I'll need to try this, but obviously we're going to fit this as well if I can. And this is the wiring. So it's the usual positive, negative, and yellow wire for an ignition switched cable. So wherever you can get ignition switched power from, that's what you use this one for. So that's the power cable. Hopefully that should be long enough. And some bolts and motorcycle CarPlay user manual. Optional accessories. I don't know what this is. Car charger, micro SD card. Okay, there's some QR codes, and it says there's a 24-month warranty and lifetime tech support. And this is the mount itself that's going to go on the bike to mount the unit. Let's have a look. Yeah, that looks okay as well. It's fairly straightforward. There's lots of different spacers in there already. There's 3 different spacer sizes, so hopefully we can get this to fit somewhere. But yeah, that's it. The unit itself looks okay. Yeah. So it's a nice enough unit, I think. So I'll be fitting this shortly, so the videos for that, for the fitting and everything, will be coming soon.